Hi everyone, this is just a quick presentation to bring you up to speed on new developments related to the HR website with a particular focus on accessibility. One quick change coming in term 1 is the reversal of Irish and English on the unit name. This will happen automatically across all pages on all websites, so there's no input required from you. UCD has recently introduced a program called Silktide, which measures website accessibility and user experience. Silktide constantly reviews our websites for accessibility, broken links, and overly complex language, and more. If you have time, you can now review your pages via Silktide, which can be accessed through UCD Connect. An issue that Silktide has flagged is the lack of accessibility in our PDFs. We have an obligation to create accessible PDFs across our websites, and a quick review has shown that we need to do a bit better. This obligation comes from an EU directive dating from 2018. Most of us don't have Adobe Acrobat, and the majority of HR documents tend to be created in Microsoft Word and then saved as PDFs. With that in mind, here are 5 things you can do to make your documents more accessible. When creating documents, it will help if you use these text styles in Word. You'll find the Styles button in the ribbon across the top of the screen. Using styles makes it much easier for screen readers to understand the reading order and structure of the document so they can navigate it correctly. If you're putting images like photos or process maps into your document, then make sure you are adding some alternative text. You can right-click on your image and add the alternative text description there. If it is just a pretty picture that serves no particular function other than making the document look nice, then just mark it as a decorative image. Number 3, we don't often use colored text in our documents, but if you do, then ensure that the text has a high level of contrast. On the screen, you can see an example of good and bad contrast. And this same principle applies if you were putting together a poster or laying text out alongside an image. Number 4, make sure hyperlinks within a document are descriptive and avoid phrases like click here or learn more that offer no context for the screen reader. Here you can see an example of how you might make a link more helpful and accessible. 5, you can make life much easier for screen readers by ensuring you are creating tagged PDFs. This is probably selected by default in your Word, but you can check everything is okay by hitting Save as PDF and then clicking Options to make sure tagging option is switched on. And finally, if you need any more information on this topic, you can get it on the IT Services WebSmart page. Here you'll find videos and more information on accessibility more generally.